With the advancement in AI technology, there are many opportunities for you to leverage this technology to enhance your skills and expertise. So, whether you are a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, this video will provide you the actionable tips on how to use AI technology to propel your careers to new heights. Hello and welcome back to today's video. In this video, we will discuss how to use latest AI technology to boost your career. Before we dive into the ways you can use AI technology to boost your career, let's first discuss what is AI and how it works. AI or artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. The main goal of AI is to easier the tasks that require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. Identify your career goals. Now that you have a basic understanding of AI technology, it is important to identify your career goals. First, set your goals to get a corporate job or change into a new industry or to start your own business. AI can help you achieve your goals faster in a more efficient way. Number 3 is to develop AI skills. One way to leverage AI technology is to develop your own AI skills. This can be done through online courses, workshops, and certifications. Learning AI skills will not only enhance your resume, but it also makes you valuable asset to any company looking into integrate AI technology into their operations. Another way to use AI technology to boost your career is to network with AI professionals. Attend conferences, seminars, and other events to meet AI experts and learn more about latest advancements in field. This will not only help you to stay updated on the latest AI trends, but also provide you with valuable networking opportunities. And finally, collaborate with AI. You can use AI technology to collaborate with AI-powered tools and platforms. For example, AI-powered project management tools can help you streamline your workflow, while AI-powered writing tools can help you to improve your writing skills. These tools can help you become more efficient and productive, allows you to focus on your aspects of your career. So that's it for today's videos on how to use latest AI technology to boost your career. Remember, by understanding AI technology, identify your goals, developing AI skills, network into AI professionals, and collaborate with AI powered tools, you can enhance your career prospects and achieve your career goals faster and more efficient than ever before. Thanks for watching.